The benefits of paying off a mortgage early and how simple it can be with Caleb Bonderenka. What is a mortgage? A mortgage is an agreement between you and a lender that allows you to borrow money to purchase a home and also gives the lender the right to take your property if you fail to repay the money that you've borrowed. A mortgage is typically the biggest debt that people take on throughout their lifetime. The most common mortgage is a 30-year mortgage, which means that it will be paid off in 30 years if all payments are made as scheduled. Amortization schedule or amortization table spells out exactly what you'll be paying each month for your mortgage. The table will show your monthly payment and how much of it will go towards paying down the loan's principal balance and how much will be used on interest. Amortization is the action or process of reducing or paying off a debt with regular payments. Other definitions to know will be principal, that's the amount of money borrowed. Interest is the percent being charged for the right to borrow that money. The term is the amount of time to pay back the principal and interest. And down payment is the percentage of a home's purchase price that is paid up front at closing. Typically, at the beginning of a loan term, the majority of each payment pays for interest and a smaller amount pays down the principal balance. And after each payment's made, more of it will go towards the principal and less towards interest. During the first several years of a loan, the bulk of your mortgage payment goes towards interest. The portion of your payment devoted to the principal, on the other hand, may seem surprisingly small. What happens if you pay extra towards the principal? It will reduce the principal by that amount. Interest on a mortgage is generally calculated monthly, so you will get to see the results as soon as the next month's statement. Here's a mortgage loan payoff calculator. I'm going to set it up for 30 years. For this example, $250,000, 5% interest, and your monthly payment's $1,342. If you pay it for 30 years, it's going to be $483,000 you end up paying. But what happens if we add $100 to the principal payment each month, starting at the beginning of the loan? It's going to be shortened by 4 years, 3 months, the mortgage, and you're going to save $38,736. And you can see you end up paying less over the term. But what happens if we put $200 a month? Let's try that. It's shortened it by 7 years, 5 months. You're saving $65,737. Now you can find this online and experiment with your own scenarios, whatever works best for you. The benefits of paying off a mortgage early: reduces the overall interest paid over time on the loan, decreases your annual expenses, reduces private mortgage insurance, which is PMI, increases savings, builds your net worth, gives you peace of mind, lowers your debt-to-income ratio. When you retire, you will have less expenses, improves your economic resilience, gives you financial flexibility, and also reduces stress when you have that mortgage paid off. How do you pay extra money towards the principal? Contact your lender for options. Automatic principal payments might be an option where they automatically set it up to pay extra towards the principal. Also, there's bi-weekly payment schedules lenders offer where you pay every 2 weeks, you'll pay half a payment, and it ends up being an extra payment at the end of the year because you end up paying 26 payments. Paying extra towards the principal, you can round up your monthly payments. If you get a bonus or a tax return, say a gift from a family member or loved one, put some of that money towards your principal. I would say pay at least one extra payment a year if you can. When you put extra money towards the principal, you shouldn't think of it as paying a bill, but rather investing in yourself while building equity in your home. Every extra dollar you put towards your principal is another dollar the bank can't charge you interest on. So do your future self a favor and start paying extra principal today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get your mortgage paid off as soon as possible.